How to share your Facebook cover photo without notifying anybody. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video we will discuss how we can post our new cover photo without notifying or without notifications. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now on our previous videos we have also learned how we can change our Facebook profile photo without notifying anybody. But in this video we will just discuss how we can change our cover photo without notifying anybody. So just make sure to stick with me. First of all, you have to go ahead and then launch the Facebook application and then come to your profile page over here. And once you come to your profile page, you can see my profile and you can also see my current cover photo over here. And if I would like to change this cover photo and then simply post a new one without having to actually go ahead and then send a notification to anybody, I would just need to tap on the cover photo, and here I can choose to upload a photo from my gallery or select an existing photo from Facebook. So you can do either of this because it's not going to change anything. I'll just choose the option called, let's say, upload photo, and I'll choose a random photo from the galleries. And once I choose the photo, now if I just save it just like that, other people are going to get notified that I have posted a cover photo. But if I want to turn that thing off, what I would need to do is at the bottom you can see share your updated newsfeed. We just have to turn this toggle off, and when you turn off this toggle that says share your updated newsfeed, you can tap on the save button and it will also not appear on even your own timeline, and it will only be actually uploaded in the background. And that's all it takes to change your Facebook cover photo without notification. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.